Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I just wanted to quickly come on and share a tag that I just got in the mail today. And it's from Jackie, who's ladyj dot crafts, oh my gosh, dot crafty2016. And she made this beautiful tag for the year of Julie Nutting tags, hosted by Donna by Powered by Creativity. Sharing More, who's nope, is it Sharing More or oh my gosh, there's two other people that are hosting this swap. Uh, anyway, Jackie and I missed the first month, which was the month of July. And on Donna's live, she said that she had finished her tag and she wanted to swap. And I told her I'd love to swap with her. And this is her tag. Okay, so she says, she goes, "Hi Tereese, I'm so happy you decided to swap with me. I absolutely love your 4th of July tag. I think you and I had the same concept, lol. Hope you like it. God bless and be safe, your friend, Jackie." Thank you, Jackie. I love it. Love it. And this is her card. I love it, Jackie. I think she colored it, and it looks like a sidewalk. Isn't that cool? I love how you did the sky. And so it says, "Enjoy the little things." I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so here is her tag. Now, I don't know the dolls' names, but she has colored her up. I love her dress that's red, white, and blue. She has some pattern paper in the background. She has some star stickers and an American flag. And these are brads, I believe. Those are cool. It just ties it in. And I love her ribbon at the top here. I just love it. Thank you so much, Jackie. And Jackie, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna write your name on here so so I know who this is from. So yeah, this is my tag for the year of Julie Nutting tags 2020. So thanks everybody. I'll have Jackie's link down below. If you guys are interested in following her. Yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.